Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by inspecting the paper clip closely. You need to know whether you're straightening, restoring spring tension, or repairing a break. Once done, gather needle nose pliers, a small file and fine sandpaper so you can bend and smooth metal precisely. Make sure to use a magnifier for tiny flaws. As you work, target the weakest bend first, because fixing that will reveal whether the clip's metal can hold another reshape or needs a short splice. Next, you reshape the clip. Grip near the bent section and use short, controlled plier motions to return loops to their intended profile. Avoid large snaps that stress metal. After shaping, file any cracks or sharp burrs and sand with 400-600 grit to smooth stress risers. This prevents future failure. Then test the spring action by compressing and releasing several times. If motion feels sticky, repeat light filing and sanding. For a break, you can wrap a thin matching wire snugly around the fracture or carefully solder with low-heat technique to avoid weakening nearby metal. Choose the method that preserves spring. Once joined, file smooth and apply a thin clear lacquer to prevent corrosion and lower friction. Make sure to cure lacquer fully. Finally, perform a practical test. Open and close the clip 10 times, then clip 2-3 sheets to confirm hold. If stiffness or slipping appears, refile and recoat. That's the primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.